What if one wrong move could send Ethereum tumbling by 50%, or one breakthrough could launch it to $6,000 or beyond? In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the critical support and resistance zones most people are ignoring, the hidden metrics that could signal a major price move, the network upgrade that could completely flip ETH's trajectory. Stick around because I'll also reveal the one key price level that may decide Ethereum's next big move. Before we dive in, drop a comment below. Do you think ETH is about to bounce, or are we headed for a deeper correction?
Let's start with the basics. Ethereum is currently trading around $3,000 to $3,200. Analysts at CoinEdition say ETH is stuck in a declining channel, which basically means it's forming lower highs and lower lows. In simpler terms, ETH has been trending down, and every rally so far has been capped by resistance levels. The short-term support zone is around $3,060 to $3,080. If ETH drops below this, we could see it testing $2,945. FXStreet also highlights that breaking $3,100 could open the door to $2,850 and even $2,380 in a worst-case scenario. Now, here's something interesting. Futures open interest is extremely high, over $38 billion, and spot outflows are rising. This means big players are moving ETH out of exchanges, potentially preparing for major moves.
Let's talk scenarios. Ethereum's path from here depends heavily on whether it holds support or breaks resistance. Bearish scenario, fails to reclaim the $3,060 to $3,080 support. ETH stays inside the declining channel, could test $2,850, then $2,380 if selling pressure continues. Bullish scenario, breaks key resistance at $3,373 to $3,400. Momentum could push ETH toward $3,757 in the short term and maybe $4,000+ if network upgrades drive adoption. The market is at a crossroads. The next few days will tell us which scenario is more likely. Which path do you think ETH will take? Type bull or bear in the comments. I'll feature the results in my next video.
Charts don't tell the whole story. There are some fundamental catalysts that could swing ETH's price dramatically. First, Layer-2 Unification. FXStreet reports that the Ethereum account abstraction team is working to unify L2 networks, making Ethereum faster and more usable. Next, the upcoming Fusaka upgrade is designed to improve throughput, reduce fees, and enhance scalability. If adoption increases, ETH could potentially break previous highs and even test $6,000 to $7,000 in an extended bull scenario. But there's risk too. High outflows, macroeconomic uncertainty, and rising competition from other smart contract platforms could drag ETH lower. Key takeaway: price moves are not just about charts. The technology and adoption matter too.
So what should you do as an ETH holder or potential buyer? Holders, watch $3,060 to $3,080 support closely. If ETH closes below it decisively, risk increases. On the upside, reclaiming $3,373 to $3,400 could indicate a potential rally. Potential buyers, consider waiting for confirmation, either a breakdown below support or breakout above resistance. Use smaller position sizes due to volatility. Event watch. Keep an eye on network upgrades, L2 developments, outflows, and macro announcements. They often precede significant price moves. Let's break down the hidden metrics that can tip the scales. Futures open interest, over $38 billion. High OI can signal positioning by large traders, a potential squeeze if price moves sharply. Outflows. Rising ETH moving out of exchanges may indicate accumulation by long-term holders, sometimes a bullish sign if the network is being adopted. RSI and stochastic indicators, currently in oversold territory, sometimes signals a short-term bounce, but not guaranteed. Understanding these metrics helps you anticipate moves before the crowd reacts.
Ethereum is at a critical juncture. Two very different paths lie ahead: a deeper correction
or a recovery rally. Which one happens will largely depend on support resistance action and network catalysts. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment your prediction. Bull or bear?